Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Myself Sneha Pemberti and I am going to teach you social science for standard 3. Now students, you have learned about solar system in standard 2. In solar system, what you have seen? You can see there are 8 planets. See these 8 planets, which are they? Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These all planets we can see on the universe. So, among these 8 planets, one of the planet, that is third planet, we can see the Earth. So, Earth is a home to all living things. Today we are going to learn about the Earth. So, our first topic is Earth, the living planet. Here in this lesson we are going to learn about Earth is a unique planet. The Earth is a living planet, the shape of the Earth, the horizon, the coast and the sky. One by one we are going to see this. So, our first topic in the lesson is the Earth is a unique planet. Why do we call Earth is a unique planet? Because we can call the Earth is a home all living things. Different kinds of plants and animals live here. You can see in this picture living things, plants and animals live here. We know that there is no other place in the universe where there is life. You can see in the other planet there is no other living things live, or the life, there is no other life is there in the universe. So, that is why we say that our Earth is a unique planet. Understood? Next one. Now, the Earth, you can see in the picture, just I have told you Earth is a living planet. All living things we need air, water and warmth to live. So, these all things we find on the Earth. That is why Earth is called a living planet. Understood? Once again I am going to repeat. Earth is a living planet. All living things need air, water and warmth to live. So, we find these all things on the Earth. That is why we call Earth is a living planet. Rather than this, we can say that Earth gets heat and light from the sun. As we in the previous before that we have seen that Earth is a living planet. We get air, water and warmth. Rather than this, Earth gets light and heat from the sun. Now, apart from this, we can say that we can get air. Now, students, without air can we live? Can we breathe? No. So, the layer of the air that surrounds the Earth, that is called atmosphere. I am going to repeat it once again. The layer of the air that surrounds the Earth is called atmosphere. Now, you have to look at this picture. In this picture you can see the earth is made of land and water. Here in the globe you can see that one. In the picture you can see the 3/4 of the earth is covered with water and 1/4 of the earth is covered with land. The blue color part you can see the 3/4 of the earth is covered with water and 1/4, which is green color, it is covered with land. Now the shape of the earth. See my dear students, in this picture the earth is looking flat. Why it is like that? Because we can see that the earth appears flat. We can see the earth appears flat. Long ago people were afraid to travel because they feared they would fall off the edge. You can see they are thinking that the earth is appear flat, so if they are going to travel they fall off the edge. After that, 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, have proved that the earth is round like a ball. You can see in the picture, earth is look like a ball. How he has proved? He has proved that he set out a fleet of ships on the long voyage from the Spain. Then he has one direction he has kept, and after 3 years he came to the same direction where he has started. So in that he has proved that earth is not a flat, earth is a round like a ball. Who has proved that? First, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, proved that earth is round like a ball. Next, after that, astronaut is a person who have been trained to travel in the space in the rockets and spaceship. You can see astronauts is a person who have been trained to travel in the space in rockets and spaceship. They look the earth from the outer space. They look the earth from the outer space. They prove that the earth is look like a huge ball. When they have looked the earth from the outer space, they also say that, they also prove that the earth is look like a huge ball. Now the next point is the horizon. See students, in this picture you can see land and the sky. Now what is mean by horizon? Horizon is the place which the land and sky appear to meet is called horizon. Once again I am going to repeat. The place which the land and the sky appear to meet is called horizon. If we see from the far away that earth, the sky and the land is appear to meet, but in the reality it is not like that. So the place which land and the sky is appear to meet is called horizon. Next, the coast. Students, see in this picture, here land and the sky appear to meet is called coast. My dear students, here land and the sea appear to meet is coast, but you can see that one, that the sky and the water or the seas appear to meet, means they appear to meet, but in the reality it's not like that. What is the mean of the coast? Land and the sea appear to meet is called or is the coast. Now last point in the lesson is the sky. Now what is the sky? You can see the top above the earth is the sky. It looks like a blue color, though it is really not so. You can see the color of the sky is blue color, but in real it is not like so. It is just vast space surrounding the earth. The sky is a vast space surrounding the earth. So in this lesson we have learned about the earth is a unique planet, the earth is a living planet, the shape of the earth, the horizon, the coast and the sky. Now students, open your textbook, page number 2. I am going to play audio. You have to listen this lesson carefully, finger on the line.
Earth, the living planet. What do you think is the shape of the earth? Is it flat like a circle or round like a ball? If you were to keep walking in a straight line, do you think you could reach the end of the earth and peep over it? In this lesson, you will learn about the earth as a unique planet, the earth as a living planet, the shape of the earth, the horizon, coast and sky.
The earth is home to all living things. Many different kinds of plants and animals live here. As far as we know, there is no other place in the universe where there is life. No wonder we say our earth is a unique planet. The earth. The earth is a living planet. All living things need air, water, and the right amount of warmth to live. We find all these things on the earth. The earth gets heat and light from the sun. A layer of air called the atmosphere surrounds the earth. The surface of the earth is made up of land and water. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water and 1/4 by land.
Did you know? The abundant water on the earth's surface makes it appear blue when seen from space. Hence, it is also called the blue planet.
The shape of the earth. Have you ever stood in an open field or on the seashore? If you do so, you will see that the earth appears flat. No wonder people long ago were afraid to travel far. They feared they would fall off the edge. But is the earth really flat? About 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, set out with a fleet of ships on a long voyage from Spain. He kept sailing in one direction. After 3 years, his ships reached the same place from where they had started. The sailors had really sailed around the earth. Magellan proved that the earth is round like a ball, not flat as people earlier thought. The astronauts further proved this. Astronauts are people who have been trained to travel in space in rockets and spaceships. When the astronauts looked at the earth from outer space, they found that it looked like a huge ball.
Did you know Squadron Leader Rakesh Sharma, an Indian Air Force pilot, was the first Indian astronaut to go to space? Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian-born woman to travel to space.
The horizon. Looking from a distance, the land and sky seem to meet, but in reality they do not meet. The place at which the land and sky appear to meet is called the horizon. Every time we come closer to the horizon, it seems to move further away. The coast. Land and sea meet at the coast. If we stand on the coast and face the sea, it will seem as if the water and the sky are meeting at a distance. This does not happen in reality. The sky. Above the earth is the sky. It looks blue, though it is really not so. It is just a vast space surrounding the earth. The sun, the stars and the moon are heavenly bodies in this space.
So students, have you understood this lesson? Now, here you have to see the shape of the earth. It is like a ball. See here, people in early age thought that the earth was flat. They thought they might topple over the fall if they travel too far. See here in this picture that in the long ago people they thought if they travel in this and they topple over the here they should fall. So the people in long ago they are feared to travel. Now these are the pictures of the flat earth drawn by the people in the early age. You can see in the previous or in the early age, long age, people are drawn the picture of the earth. So they think that the earth is a flat shape. These are the earliest known picture from the 6th century BC showing the spherical earth. See in the picture from the long ago they have drawn. See, the Greek philosopher Aristotle was one of the first people to state that the earth was spherical. He did so after studying the position of the stars. In the 2nd century AD, the Greek philosopher Ptolemy created this map that portrayed the earth as being round. It was the first known map of its kind. See, in the 2nd century, the Greek philosopher, he has created the map and it was the first known map of its kind. In 1519, a Portuguese explorer called Ferdinand Magellan set out with a fleet of a ship from the Spain. He wanted to prove that the earth was round shape. They sailed one direction and returned after 3 years to the same place from where they had started. See in this picture, they started sail in the one direction and return in the same place after 3 years. This voyage was of great importance as it proved that the earth was round. You can see this person has proved that the earth is not a flat shape, earth is a round shape. This is the first picture of the earth captured from the space, further proving the earth spherical. See my dear students, you can see this is the first picture of the earth captured from the space. Further, it's proving the earth is spherical. Understood? Now, in this lesson, we have learned, this is the more information about the Indian astronomers in space. You can see in this picture. Who is he? He is a Rakesh Sharma, was the first Indian travel in space. While Rakesh Sharma was in space, the then Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi asked him how did India look from the space. Rakesh replied, "Sari jahan se acha, Hindustan hamara," meaning our land of Hindustan means India is the best in the world. Then after, Kalpana Chawla, July 1st, 1961 to February 1st, 2003 was an Indian American astronaut who was a mission specialist on the space shuttle Columbia. She was the first flew of the Columbia in 1997. Chawla was one of the 7 crew members killed in the 2003 space shuttle Columbia disaster. This is our lesson we have seen. Once again I am going to recall what we have seen in the lesson. First we have seen Earth in the solar system, the third one of the planet, that is Earth. So, for our first topic, that Earth, the living planet. In the lesson we have learned the Earth is a unique planet, the Earth is a living planet, the shape of the Earth, the horizon, the coast, the sky. In that first topic we have seen that we can call the Earth is a home to all the living things. Different kinds of plants and animals live here. We know that there is no other place in the universe where there is life. So, we say that our Earth is a unique planet. Next, we have seen the Earth is a living planet. Why? Because all living things need air, water and warmth to live. We find all these things on the Earth. Apart from this, the Earth gets heat and light from the sun. And here we have seen that the layer of the air that surrounds the Earth, that called atmosphere. Now, after that we have seen the shape of the Earth or the Earth. Here the picture you can see, the Earth is made of land and water. 3/4 of the land is covered with water, or 1/4 of the Earth is covered with land. You can see 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water, 1/4 of the Earth is covered with land. After that we see that the shape of the Earth. Here in the picture you can see that the Earth it looks like a flat shape. If we stand near the open field or near the seashore, we can see that the Earth appears flat. The long ago, people were afraid to travel because they feared that they would fall off the edge. Then again the Earth is round in shape. How? The 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, proved that the Earth is round like a ball. How he has proved? He set out with a fleet ship on a long voyage from the Spain. Then in the one direction they are sailing, and after 3 years they came to the same place where they are started. Means it is proved that the earth is look like a round shape, it's like a ball. Further, astronaut is a person who have been trained to travel in the space and in rockets and spaceship. They look the earth from the outer space. They prove that the earth is look like a huge ball. You can see the person who is this person is astronaut. They look the earth from the outer space. They prove that the earth is look like a huge ball. Next, the horizon. Here you can see the place which land and the sky appear to meet is called horizon. If we see that far, the land and the sky is appear to meet, but in real it's not like that. So, the place which the land and the sky appear to meet is called horizon. Next, we learn the coast. The land and the sea appear to meet is coast. You can see in the picture that the land and the water also appear to meet, but in real it is not like that. The coast means the land and the sea appear to meet. And last topic we have learned about the sky. Above the earth is the sky. It looks blue though it is really not so. It is just vast space surrounding the earth. I hope you understood the lesson, and now homework is that you read the lesson properly, underline the difficult words with the pencils. Thank you.